Hello guys, today we are going to be doing InMo series 3. This is an InMo question. It is a very nice question. Please pause it and solve this question first and then I will tell you the solution. Okay, I will continue with the solution now. Let Fn denote the nth Fibonacci number. Prove that 3 to the power 2023 divides this long expression. Okay, this is the question. So first I will write the Fibonacci sequence. F0 is equal to 0, F1 is equal to 1, F2 is equal to 1, F3 is equal to 2, F4 is equal to 4, dot, 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 dot. This is the Fibonacci sequence. And Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. This is the meaning of Fibonacci. Okay. So I have this expression. So can I, and I also have this expression. I'm minusing one whole set. Okay. So can I replace Fn minus 1 inside here? Can I get Fn is equal to Fn minus 2 plus Fn minus 3 plus Fn minus 2? What is this? This is 2Fn minus 2 plus Fn minus 3. I club these two. I have this. Now again, can I replace this term? Basically, what I'm wanting to do, I'm wanting to make this minus 2. Because it's, can you see here, it's F4, F6, F8. There is two difference, okay? Here also, I'm trying to make it minus 2. So can I replace this? Can I say that F3 minus 3 is equal to Fn minus 2 minus Fn minus 4? I just took this side and I got Fn minus 3 plus Fn minus 4 is equal to Fn minus 2. Okay, I got this from here. I have this. So can I put this inside here? What will I get? Fn minus 2 plus minus Fn minus 4 plus Fn minus 2. What is this? This is Fn plus this term F3 n minus 2. So can I put this here in this term? So I put it and I get I two terms multiply. This will be equal to Fn. Okay, I am just putting the terms back and back, back to back, back to back. So I will get 3Fn minus 2 minus Fn minus 4. This is equal to F. This is important. See, I got minus 2 difference. You understood, right? Why I want this minus 2 difference. Okay. So now, since look, here it's even numbers, even numbers, even numbers, even numbers, even numbers, even numbers, even number. This is also an even number. So can I put n is equal to 2k? So what will I get? F 2k is equal to 3F 2k minus 2 minus F 2k minus 4. Okay, I get this. This is the most important equation in the here. Important equation. So now what will I do after this? I will put 2k is equal to 4. But F4 is equal to 3 because I want to get something that cancels everything out and gets one neat expression in the last. Okay. So I get F4 is equal to 3 F2 minus F0. Not this bracket. Yes. Can I say F6 is equal to plus 2 plus 2 plus 2? 3F4 minus F2. Okay. Then can I put F8 is equal to 3, F6 minus F4, right? So now what I will do is that this dot F4046. This is what 4042 plus 4 equal to 3 F404 plus 2. So this will be 404644 minus F4042, and F4044 is equal to 3 F402 minus F, it is 4046, right? F 4046. Okay, we have this. So now we will put this in this expression. Okay, I will copy paste this expression so that you can see it easier. Okay, we will put the values of F4, F6, F8, dot till F4, 6. So we will get 3 square, whatever it is, 3 F2 minus F0 plus 3 cube, 3 F4 minus F2 plus 3 dot 4. We will put this term, last two terms, 3 2022 F brackets 3 F4 minus F4040 and 3 2023 3 F4040 minus F4042. Okay, we have these two, this equation. Okay, now let us expand this. 3 cube F2 minus 3 square F0 plus 3 cube 4 F4 minus 3 cube F2. Can you see that this and this is cancelling? Okay, let's do the 3 4 also term. 3 4 term will be 3 F6 minus F4 plus 3 5 F6 minus F3 4 F4. Because this is increasing in power 1, this is also increasing, this is going 2 backs, so all will cancel except this term because we don't have any F0 there. And the last two terms, let us see. We will get 3 2023 F4042 minus 3 2022 F4040 plus 3 2023 minus 40. This will be 4 because 32023 into 3 will be 32024 F4044 minus 32023 F4042. Okay, so can you see this cancels? So, and this will cancel before because the last term is always cancelling. So we get left with this and get left with this. This will also cancel. So we'll get 32024 F4044 minus 3 squared F0. This is what we simplified from this horrendous equation. See how easy it became. From this very complex equation, it became this simple equation. Okay. So now here you remember that f0 is equal to 0. So we'll put this, that f0 is equal to 0. So this will become 0. So it will become 32024 f20, not f4044. So since this will, as I've said, this is already a multiple times 3203. What do we need to find? That this divides. Okay. Basically, we need to find is this is a multiple or not. So we have found that 32023 divides 32024. So this will divide. So proved. Easy, right? Thank you. See, please subscribe and follow and share. Thank you.